Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, born and raised in India. I am a native Hindi speaker and I've made these videos so you can begin to learn Hindi an easy way. Today we are gonna learn about
An introduction to the root verb.
मूल क्रिया से परिचय.
In English, the verb root is without the to from the infinitive. It is the version of the verb without any endings. Example, s, ing, and ed. For example, if your infinitive verb is to eat, the root verb is just eat. If the infinitive verb is to go, the root verb is just go. In Hindi, the root of a verb is simply when the na at the end is removed. For example, if your infinitive verb is khana, the root verb is kha. If your infinitive verb is jana, the root verb is ja. This root verb will come in handy when we start using verbs in sentences. Let's take a look at some verbs in both the infinitive form and the root form. To eat.
खाना.
The root verb version is simply eat.
खा.
To drink.
पीना.
Drink.
पी.
To watch, to look, or to see.
देखना.
Watch.
देख.
To bring.
लाना.
Bring.
ला.
To go.
जाना.
Go.
जा.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you remember. To make.
बनाना.
The root verb would be simply make.
बना.
To speak.
बोलना.
Speak.
बोल.
To play an instrument.
बजाना.
Play an instrument.
बजा.
To play a game.
खेलना.
Play a game.
खेल.
To work.
काम करना.
Work.
काम कर.
Now you try.
To write.
लिखना.
Root verb version is simply write.
लिख.
To read.
पढ़ना.
Read.
पढ़.
To come,
आना.
Come.
आ.
To sing.
गाना.
Sing.
गा.
to listen or hear,
सुनना.
Listen or hear.
सुन.
Now you try. Fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you remember. And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Watch our previous video to learn more about verbs in Hindi and English. If you've gone through our Hindi for Beginners playlist, then you're ready to take the next step and learn how to make sentences in Hindi. In our next video, we will learn how to make sentences with I. So I recommend that you go through that playlist before watching our next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.